Hi, hello everyone. Today let's discuss about bioinformatics in computer applications. So, what is bioinformatics? Bioinformatics is nothing but the science of collecting and organizing the biological data. The science of collecting and also organizing the biological data is known as bioinformatics. It uses different sciences for collecting and organizing the data, like it can use biology and medicine, database and text mining, algorithms and programming, and also statistics and mathematics. By utilizing all the information from these subjects, it will convert the data into system language, which is called as bioinformatics. See the concept here. It utilizes all the subjects' knowledge and it converts this knowledge into digital format into systems. So that type of conversion is known as bioinformatics. And objectives of bioinformatics, you can see here, it mainly studies the normal biological process which occurs in the human body, and it also analyzes what is the cause of a disease, and it designs various models to improve the biological process of the system of human body, and it is also helpful in improving the drug discovery techniques, new techniques for discovering the drugs. The next one is bioinformatic databases. Databases are nothing but which stores the information. So here the first one, gene bank, it stores the information of biological sequence analysis, and Interpro, it stores the information of protein families, and sequence read archive, it stores the information of next generation DNA sequencing. Next one, GenoCAD, it is useful in the design of synthetic genetic circuits, and Predicta, it uses the calculation of drug DNA interactions, and Sanjeevani, it completely stores the total matter of drug design. It is a complete drug design software, Sanjeevani. So these are the bioinformatic databases, and when the classification of databases of bioinformatics occurs on basis of data type, it contains the first one, genome database, which contains information of genes, sequence database, which contains information of nucleic acid and protein sequence, structure database, which contains information of protein structures, and microarray database, which contains information of gene expression, chemical database, which contains information of chemicals, metabolic database, which contains information of biochemical pathways, and enzyme database, which contains information of enzymes, disease database, which contains information of all the diseases, and literature database, which contains all the diseases, and literature database, which contains information of different articles, and taxonomical database, which contains information of nomenclature of organisms. And on the basis of data source, there are two types, primary and secondary. Primary contains the information of all experimentally derived data, which includes nucleotide and protein sequence, and secondary contains information and it makes use of primary database, for example DNA sequence. And special databases are two types again, they are integrated and composite. Integrated contains numerical and picture data, and composite contains the algorithms and data structures. So these are the information which are available in these databases. And biological database contains bibliographic database, which contains literature, taxonomic database, which contains classification of organisms, and nucleic acid database, which contains DNA information, and genomic database, which contains gene information, and protein database, which contains protein information, and metabolic database, which contains enzyme information. And bioinformatics is very useful in the vaccine discovery. It is helpful in discovering the vaccines within a short span of time. How means it combines the knowledge of biology with pharmacology. By combining the knowledge of biology with pharmacology, it can easily discover the vaccines, and it also reduces the time and cost of discovery of vaccines. And the genomic data, whatever the gene data is available, it is processed in different softwares. For the vaccine discovery, these softwares are very useful. So this is about bioinformatics. Thank you. Jai Hind.